Alright, out here in the garage, and I just wanted to say that this thing, the little heater from SmartDevil, is a lifesaver. These things are dope. It's got a little handle, carry it all around. Ooh, I carry it all around the garage with me. Keeps my hands nice and warm. Every couple minutes, just give it a little, oh yeah, it's also got a controller. You can turn it up, turn it down, you can change the colors. What? I like to stay green. Green's my favorite. SmartDevil. Turn it up. Oh, yeah, here's the controls on that. We can heat it. Boom, bring up that heat. I'm telling you guys, it's getting cold out. You're gonna want to do this sooner than later. Get yourself one of these guys. You will not regret it. Yeah, there's even a timer on this thing. Look here. Put a little 4-hour timer on it. There you go. I know as soon as my heat turns off, it's time to go inside. It's also great for if, like, falling asleep or something, you don't want to make sure it's on all night. Yep. Check them out.